What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. 10 months later, the follow-up review for the Diamondback by Harbor Freight. Has it held up? Yes. Does it still cut straight? Yes. Are there pros? Yes. Are there cons? Of course, and we'll discuss that in this video. So a quick recap. This tile saw has remodeled 3 showers and 3 bathroom floors, all hard porcelain. I still have the P4 Pearl blade equipped. It still cuts great, and I'll show you that today as well. All in all, for the very inexpensive price of this saw, it really is recommended. $200 to $250 for a 7-inch tile saw that can plunge cut, miter cut. It is light, it is compact, but there are a few flaws. Without further ado, let's show you how well it performs after 3 large remodels, showers as well as floors with hard porcelain tile. Here we go. So here's the saw, guys. Like I said before, it does plunge, it does miter, 22.5 and 45. This blade, again, has remodeled 3 bathrooms, 3 showers with hard porcelain, and 3 bathroom floors, all large format. You've got your extension tray for water containment, your cutting tray, your pump, on and off button. Very simple, very basic. It's a very small and compact saw, very inexpensive saw. You can buy this whole setup for around $250. Now, the cons are very simple. We'll start with the tray. The tray has no rubber on it. If you like to flip over a high gloss porcelain tile to miter, it does become a little difficult. It will slip and slide just a bit. 2, it does not come with a large format extension tray for large format tiles, so you have to pay attention and use 2 hands when cutting a 12-inch by 24-inch tile so that it does not fall off the edge. It also does not come equipped with a extension table over here for water containment. So yes, I'm going to admit this saw is very, very messy. Water does get all around cutting large format tile. But again, $250, it is inexpensive. It is for a DIYer, it is for a homeowner, it is for a contractor or tile setter. This is a fantastic backup saw for a contractor or tile setter for multiple reasons. 1, it is inexpensive. 2, it is very compact and small. It can fit in tight spots. And 3, it can essentially do everything a 10-inch tile saw can do. All in all, it does what it's supposed to do. This tile saw does cut well, does miter well, and yes, it does get the job done. Let's quickly show you what we're going to cut here. We will show you how accurate it is on a 24-inch hard porcelain. We will rip a 4-foot plank and we will cut this diagonally, 18 by 18 porcelain. We start with a 12 by 24-inch porcelain to test the quality of the cut on a well-used blade, as well as the accuracy on a 24-inch rip. Here we go. And there you go. As expected, clean cut. Let's check the accuracy. 5 5/8. 5 5/8, yes. It is very accurate at a 24-inch rip. Cutting 18 by 18 inch diagonally. Yes, it can cut large format diagonally, 18 by 18 inch, clean cut marble. Let's move on to the 4-foot plank. Show you how you cut a 4-foot plank on a small saw like this, and we'll test how accurate it is. Simply place a 1/2 inch piece of scrap foam board onto the tray in order to cut your long 4-foot plank. And you will want to use a speed square or fence like this for an accurate square cut. Well, there it is. It did veer off a little bit. I can see the tile with my eye here. We've got 1 7/8 and 1 15/16. So it did veer off a 1/16 of an inch on a 4-foot plank. Not bad for an inexpensive tile saw. Well, there you go, guys. 10-month update review video on the Diamondback from Harbor Freight. Yes, it is a cheap saw, but yes, it does what it's supposed to do. It cuts tile well. This saw has been used to cut large format hard porcelain for 3 showers, as well as 3 bathroom floors. It has held up so far. The saw can do most of what 10-inch full-size tile saws can do, from ripping capacity, cross-cut capacity, diagonal cut capacity. Like I said before, it's great for a homeowner and a DIYer. It's also great for a tile setter and contractor for a backup saw, or a smaller saw for compact areas. The saw still cuts straight after a lot of use. I definitely recommend it. It is a cheap saw that does the job. Let's hope in the near future we see some upgrades like rubber for the tray, extension tables for large format tile, as well as more extension tables for water containment, as this saw is very messy. Other than that, guys, this saw equipped with a good Pearl P4 blade will get the job done and will help you complete your tiling project. I hope you enjoyed this quick update video on the Diamondback 7-inch tile saw. As usual, don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and most importantly, share this video if you know anybody who might find this interesting or useful, and I'll see you on the next one.